started a dropshipping store just 24 hours ago. I created the Shopify store, I ordered the product to my house, and I only used $100 to advertise the product. And today, I'm gonna be revealing the exact results that I got. What's up, you guys? My name is Jaden and welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today, I have an absolute banger for you guys. This is something that I've been wanting to do on my channel for a long time. I just haven't got the chance to, but today we're gonna be doing a 24-hour dropshipping challenge where I only have $100 to spend advertising the product, and I'm gonna show you guys the results. I'm gonna show you guys the product. I'm gonna show you the store and everything that goes into my entire testing strategy. So I hope you guys are excited for that. If you are, be sure to go ahead and drop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel for more dropshipping content just like this. And if you're somebody out there that needs some one-on-one help with your dropshipping business, be sure to go to the description and fill out the application for my company, Unlimited Ecom. We have a one-on-one coaching program where we take people just like yourself and we bring them from a beginner in dropshipping to getting results. It's an amazing program and I hope to see some of you guys in there. So again, be sure to go to the description, fill out the application, and without further ado, let's hop right into the video. So I spent about 20 to 30 minutes looking for a product for this challenge using my favorite ad spy tool called PP Ads. It's pretty much an ad spy tool that allows you to see trending TikTok ads in the market. I also paired this with their PP Spy tool, which allows you to track a Shopify store sales. So I can pretty much look up any product that I want and find competitors and see if a product is selling. It's one of my secrets as far as validating a product. Like, I don't test a product unless I see a competitor that's actually selling this product currently and making money. I'm gonna reveal the product right now, and the product is this AirTag wallet, okay? So this product has been around for a while. This is something that's been selling for the past couple years or so, and I thought I'd give it a shot, okay? So if you don't know what this product is, you put an AirTag right here, which I have. You put the AirTag inside of the wallet, and then you can use the marketing angle like, hey, you'll never lose your wallet again, which is a problem that a lot of men have, right? So I try to find a product that was problem solving and also had a wow factor, and this product fits both criteria. It also holds like a bunch of cards. It holds, bills inside as well. And it has quick card access. You just press this button and all your cards just flash out. So I'm gonna make some video ads for this, and then we're gonna hop into my computer and I'm gonna show you guys the full website. Now I'm gonna share a little secret. The company I've been using for years since I started dropshipping to get all of my high converting ad creatives is a company called Ecom Ads. Trust me when I say that this is the #1 spot to get your video ads, because not only have I spent thousands of dollars with the company, but I also know the owners personally and they are in the dropshipping space as well. So unlike other companies, they actually understand what it takes to build a high quality creative. All right, guys, so this is Ecom Ads. This is where I get all of my video ads created, and it's for good reason. They are fantastic and know exactly what it takes to build a high converting creative. So if you're someone like me who likes to rapidly test products, you're gonna be able to get all of your video ads within 1 to 3 business days, which is extremely fast. And you can even get it faster if you join their VIP program. So their VIP program is gonna give you 75% off of any of their ad packages, 30% off of their UGC style ad packages, which they also do UGC content as well. And you're gonna be getting 24-hour delivery on all of your video ads, even on the weekends. So since I tested this product with TikTok ads in this video, I'm gonna show you my favorite TikTok ad package that Ecom Ads offers. So you're gonna click on video ads, and then you're gonna click on video ad packages. Next, you're gonna wanna click on the TikTok split testing package right here, and then you're gonna be greeted with this screen, and the TikTok split testing package is gonna give you 3 ad variations for your one product. We talk about it all the time on this channel that you need more than one ad creative when you're testing products, especially with TikTok ads. And if you're a non-member, you're gonna be getting this for $50, which is still extremely cheap. But if you're a VIP member, like I just said, you're gonna be getting this package for $12.50, which comes out to like $3 to $4 per ad creative, which is absolutely nothing. And then there's a few things that you can add to these videos, like the TikTok text. So it'll already have text on the screen, so that way when you get your video ads, it's already scripted for you. And then you can add voiceovers as well, so that way you don't have to do anything, and literally all you have to do is just upload this to your ads manager and you're ready to test. So really quickly, I just want to show you what a high converting creative looks like when you purchase it from Ecom Ads, so you know exactly what to expect. So check this out. So if you're interested in getting some high converting ad creatives for your dropshipping business, be sure to click the link in the description, and that's going to give you 15% off of anything on their website, or you could just use code JADEN15 at checkout. Now, without further ado, let's hop right back into the video. All right, you guys, so hopping right into my computer. This is the website that I created for this challenge. The company is called Titan Trace. I'm gonna try to just fly through this because, I have a whole full tutorial on how to create a Shopify store from scratch, but I do wanna show you guys the most important part, which is the product page, okay? So I'm gonna link that video up here. It's a fire video. I literally go step by step in the product description. Make sure you go ahead and check that out. But as you can see, never lose your wallet again. We have a high quality banner image here. We have our mission statement. We have just a breakdown of some of the key benefits. This is something that I like to do. So I like to put image, text, text, image, and I just flip it back and forth, as you can see. We talk about, never losing your wallet again. Worried about losing your wallet? Say goodbye to the anxiety of misplaced wallets and enjoy the peace of mind knowing that your essentials are safe and secure. Then we come down here, we have another high quality image. We have some text explaining our RFID blocking technology on these wallets. And if you come down here, we also talk about the sleek and compact design, and we have an image of the blue colorway of the Titan Trace wallet. And then I usually just end my descriptions with the actual listing of the product. As you can see, we have that here, and then we have our subscribe to our email list. So I keep it pretty simple because it's the home page. You're not really sending traffic there, you're sending traffic to your product page, but you still want it to be presentable, so just in case people do, surf around your site. So hopping into the product page, this is the meat and potatoes of your website. This is the most important part. So I like to keep it pretty simple when it comes to the imagery. Here, I keep it in a slideshow. This is the same image that's on the front page. It just shows the carbon fiber colorway of the product. Very simple, sleek. And then we also go into this image right here, which is also great. It shows that it works with Find My iPhone. It shows that you can track the wallet anywhere worldwide. And then I like to have an image just like this. And as you can see, I customize these images. I put in a little bit more work, okay? This image was just like this, and I believe it had some, Chinese lettering on the top. I removed it in Canva, and then I put my logo there just to make it look like I have a more custom feel to the website, okay? So as you can see, it shows off how many cards you can hold, that you can hold cash. There's more card slots right here, and then it has an AirTag slot on the back. And then we have some more, just high quality images, just showing off the product, showing again that you can find the wallet anywhere on the go, so on and so forth. Okay, so when you're making your product page, you need to think in the minds of your customer. Okay, what is your customer going to want to know about your product? Obviously, we're selling a wallet, so they're going to want to know how much, what can I hold inside the wallet? What's the max? So we like to outline this right here. So as you can see, I have my 4 key benefits here. And it says holds up to 9 cards and cash, which is very important to the customer. And I'm gonna be explaining here in a second what's another thing that's very important when it comes to this product. But we usually I usually like to put a quick sentence just explaining what the product does. So if you're tired of constantly misplacing your wallet and yearn for a sleek solution that holds all of your essentials, then our Titan Trace AirTag wallet is tailor-made for you. Very simple, very short, very sweet, that just explains the product in an easily to understand way, right? We're selling the product for $29.99, which is fantastic. I get great margins on this product. We're getting anywhere from $17 to $20. So if someone was to buy the carbon fiber colorway, this one's actually the most expensive. We're getting around $17 for this one. But if they were to order any other colorway, I would get around $20 in profit. So we're sitting pretty, okay? As you can see down here, I have some collapsible rows. A lot of people asked me in my last video, how did I create these? It's just called collapsible row. It's in your Shopify editor. It's extremely easy to add. But I just have a how does it work section. So we explain that. What's included. This is very, very important. You need to make sure that you check your CJ Dropshipping or your Zendrop listing and make sure that you have what's included in your product, okay? And it should tell you right on the listing. So right here I have one Titan Trace AirTag wallet is going to be included, and then I also put right here AirTag not included. And it's so important that you include this because people are going to assume, based off of the pictures that, hey, it comes with an AirTag, but it doesn't. And I make sure to highlight this in multiple spots on my product page, just so that way I can avoid chargebacks. So I also have like a specifications, shipping. I go over the shipping times and things of that nature. I'm very upfront with my customers, so there's no confusion as to when they're going to receive their product, what's going to be included. so on and so forth. We have our return and refund policy, and then we move right into our first AOV booster, which is our frequently bought together. It's just a frequently bought together app. I believe it's free, but I also tied this AirTag wallet with the AirTag keychain. It's a really good upsell that I think complements this product fairly well. I also had an AOV booster here as well, which is just like a quantity break, so you can buy 1, 2, 3, or 4 at a discount. I'm not sure why it's not there, but I usually have that there as well. And then we jump right into the product description. So never lose your wallet is my headline. Obviously we're looking at this from a desktop view. It looks a lot different in mobile. Just think of it just being stacked on top of each other is exactly what it looks like. But it's the same as the homepage, right? So we have this never lose your wallet section, and then I move right into what makes Titan Trace unique. And I like this section because I usually like to put 3 different GIFs here that explains my product. So I have instant card access, have a little bit of a synopsis here about what that means. Secure magnetic closure. Again, this is me. As you can see, these are literally my hands. And same thing here, Apple AirTag trackable. And I show that you could track your wallet right on the spot. Then moving on, we have the same thing like from the homepage, the RFID blocking technology, same text, same everything from the homepage. And then we also have this section as well, which is the sleek and compact design, same exact text. And I just literally take it from my product page and I put it right on the homepage just so that way the homepage looks presentable, okay? And then we move on to this section right here, which is the questions we've got you covered section. This is just a mini FAQ. I usually put like 4 to 5 questions, of the most popular questions that my customers are gonna ask me. Does it come with an AirTag? I highlight that again and I make sure that I say, no, it does not. AirTags are sold separately. How durable is it? How many cards can it hold? How secure is the magnetic closure on the Titan Trace AirTag wallet? So on and so forth. And then right after that, we jump right into our reviews. All our reviews are sorted by images first, and I make sure I go through these and make sure that each one of these reviews are solid before I go ahead and publish it to my site. And then I end it right here with a subscribe to your email section. But that's pretty much it as far as, my website. Everything else is just like a contact page, FAQ. I have a track your order page as well. You don't really need to see those. This is the upsell that I have on this product, which is the Titan Trace AirTag keychain. Literally, I laid it out the exact same way. It's the exact same product, but for a keychain. So you can use it on your dog, you can use it for your keys, so on and so forth. But it's literally broken down the same way. If you're on this page, frequently bought together, it's going to, upsell you on the AirTag wallet. And then I have pretty much the same kind of imagery and the same kind of key benefits, explaining the product. And then I end it with reviews here as well. All right, you guys, so before I show you the results, I have to break down the ads first. So really quickly, this is a fresh TikTok ads manager that I made for this, challenge. And I wanna show you the advertisement that actually got sales for this product. I tested 5 advertisements in total. I created all 5 ads myself, and I'm gonna show you the one that performed the best. Introducing the Titan Trace AirTag wallet. It has quick card access, so you no longer have to struggle to find your cards at the grocery store. It also has an AirTag slot on the back, so just in case you throw your wallet out the window, you can still find it and track it anywhere worldwide. So as you can see, very simple advertisement and definitely something that will catch someone's attention. I created 5 of these different advertisements. I changed up the hook, added some sounds to some, and pretty much all of them were the same variation, but just switched up a little bit, okay? I ran a CBO for 2 days, $50 a day, and I was testing 2 different interests inside of these CBOs. I was testing open targeting, which always works best for me, and then I was also testing apparel and accessories because that was the interest that most fit with this type of product. And without further ado, here are the results. So we spent $110, bringing us 15,860 impressions, 136 clicks, and 1 conversion. So yes, we only got 1 sale on this challenge for $29.99 on July 26th. We actually sold this product right here, the exact same one in the carbon fiber colorway. We got a 1.28% conversion rate. Obviously, we want that to be above 2%, and we got 78 online store sessions for the day. So I'm gonna break this down really quickly so you can see the exact numbers for this challenge. So I spent $110 in ads, $10 on the domain, $1 on the Shopify store, $12.50 for the product costs, and that comes out to $133.50. We got 1 order, which is $29.99, so I subtracted it from that, and that comes out to $103.51 that we lost on this challenge. So yeah, we ended up losing money with this challenge, but it is what it is. I wanted to make this video so that way you can get a realistic perspective of what it actually is going to take for you to be able to be in this business model, okay? And not every product that you choose is going to be a winning product. Sometimes it may take you up to 5 to 10 products to even find your first winning product. But the problem is that beginners have such high expectations, and I hope that this video was a clear perspective of, what it's actually like to run a dropshipping business and none of that fake bullshit that you see on YouTube. All right, you guys, so that's going to do it for the video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, be sure to go ahead and drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more dropshipping content. And if you're somebody out there that's looking for a like-minded community full of individuals that are also dropshipping, go to the description and join my free Discord server. I just launched it not too long ago. There's also a bunch of free resources, and I'm constantly going in there and dropping some game for you guys. So go ahead, join the Discord server, and yeah, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.